A personal macro workbook is a hidden Excel file named personal.xlsb that stores macros or VBA code. This file is accessible whenever you use Excel, regardless of which workbook you have open, allowing you to run your macros across any Excel workbook without needing to copy them each time. To create a personal macro workbook, go to the Developer tab, then to the Code group, and click the Record Macro button. Give your macro a descriptive name, set the Store macro and drop down to Personal Macro Workbook and click OK. Perform the actions you want to automate, such as clicking the bold, italic, underline buttons, and choosing a text color. Stop recording by returning to the Developer tab and clicking the Stop Recording button. After recording your first macro, Excel will create a file named personal.xlsb and store it in the Start folder. To test your macro, write some text in a sheet and run the macro to see the recorded formatting applied to the text. Restart Excel to demonstrate that the Personal Macro Workbook silently opens in the background. You will be prompted to save both the current workbook and the Personal Macro Workbook. Click Save for the Personal Macro Workbook. After restarting Excel, open a new workbook, write some text, and run the macro. The macro will execute and format the text. Open another workbook, select some text, and open the macro dialog box. You'll see the macro is available in this workbook too. Run it to format the selected text. Repeat this with any other workbook. The macro in the Personal Macro Workbook is available in all workbooks. The Personal Macro Workbook, personal.xlsb, is a hidden workbook that opens when you start Excel. If you want to unhide it, go to the View tab and in the Window group, click Unhide. In the Unhide dialog box, select personal.xlsb and click OK. The Personal Macro Workbooks window should now be visible on the desktop. You can hide the Personal Macro Workbook again by clicking Hide on the View tab in the Window group. You can also use VBA Code in the Personal Macro Workbook by using the Visual Basic Editor, and any workbook can use or access that code. To access the Visual Basic Editor, press Alt F11. You can find the Personal Macro Workbook, personal.xlsb, in the Project Explorer pane on the left-hand side. If you want to delete the personal.xlsb file, close the VBA Editor and then close the Excel application. To open the Start folder, in the File Explorer, type the Start path as shown on the video in the address bar and press Enter. The Start folder is a special directory used by Microsoft Excel to automatically open any files stored within it each time Excel starts. After deleting the personal.xlsb file, reopen the Excel application. You'll see the macro is no longer available. Open the VBA Editor, and you'll find that personal.xlsb is also not available there. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.